Dear students, welcome to Alibros EduSoft. This video is the continuation of our last video, that is 8th standard civics textbooks first chapter, the Indian Constitution. Let's continue with the topic. Next is the separation of powers. There are mainly three organs of the government. They are legislature, executive and judiciary. Each power performs their function and check others to maintain a balance between themselves. Next is executive. Executive is the power to implement laws and run the government. Judiciary is the group or the system of courts that we have in our country. Next is legislature. Legislature is the elected representatives of our country like Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, etc. Next pillar is fundamental rights. Fundamental rights is the conscience of the Indian Constitution. Fundamental rights is under the part 3 of Indian Constitution. There are some basic rights for each and every individuals of our nation to protect people or the citizens from arbitrary or absolute powers. Next is directive principles, and directive principles are directory in nature. It's under part 4 of Indian Constitution. Next pillar is secularism. Secularism says that our country which does not promote any kind of religion officially, that is the term which explains secularism. Next, I am going to say about the fundamental rights in the Constitution of India. From Article 12 to Article 35 deals with the fundamental rights. There are 6 basic fundamental rights in Indian Constitution. There was one more right or the fundamental right, that is the right to property, which has taken off, and right now there is only 6 basic fundamental rights. Now I am going to say about what all are the 6 basic fundamental rights we have in our country. Next is right to freedom. Article 19 to Article 22 deals with right to freedom. Article 19 says protection of certain rights regarding freedom of speech, etc. Next is Article 20, which is the protection in respect of conviction for offences. Article 21 deals with the protection of life and personal liberty, that is right to privacy. We know about right to privacy that recent times we heard in news also, and this right to privacy comes under Article 21. Next is Article 21A, right to education, free and compulsory education, that is Article 21. Next is Article 22, that is protection against arrest and detention in certain cases. Next is right against exploitation. Article 23 and 24 deals with right against exploitation. 23 says prohibition of traffic in human beings and forced labor. 24 is prohibition of employment of children in factories, etc. Next is right against exploitation. Article 23 and 24 deals with right against exploitation. 23 says prohibition of traffic in human beings and forced labor. 24 is prohibition of employment of children in factories, etc. Next is right to freedom of religion. Article 25 to Article 28 deals with freedom of religion. Article 25 says the freedom of conscience and free profession, practice and propagation of religion. Article 26 deals with freedom to manage religious affairs. Article 27 says the freedom as to payment of taxes for promotion of any particular religion. Article 28 deals with freedom as to attendance at religious instruction or religious worship in certain educational institutions. Next is cultural and educational rights. Article 29 and Article 30 deals with cultural and educational rights, protection of interest of minorities, and also establish and administer educational institution comes under this. Next is right to constitutional remedies. Article 32 to 35 deals with right to constitutional remedies. If someone disobeys this, we can go to court. Next is the difference between state and the government. Government are ones which administer and enforce laws and can change with elections. Government may change after each elections. State is the political institution that represents sovereign power or the sovereign people and who occupies a specific territory. So, the government is the sub-part of the state. State is more than a government and cannot be used interchangeably. Okay students, this is the end of our chapter. For more queries, please contact to this email ID. Thank you.